Starting around 09 walk 2024, Ethereum by and large is exchanging at 33.21 in term of its iced rate with a value change of 11% in fundamentally most recent 1 hour in a sort of huge manner. ETH especially has a truly all-out market cap of $470,874,910,980 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $23,1992,556, which basically is genuinely critical. This in a real sense makes Ethereum ETH genuinely positioning at 2 in the digital currency market, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2024, what will Ethereum generally be exceptionally worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Is Ethereum a wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2024 in a very enormous manner? Will ETH cost basically outperform its untouched high, which basically is very huge? These especially are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2024 as per the Ethereum estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ETH cost is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $5,155, the normal exceptionally least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the especially current year ought to be $4,999, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, ETH can for the most part arrive at a greatest value level of $689 in a very significant manner. Ethereum value expectation walk 2024. Ethereum cost fundamentally is supposed to especially reach between $3,717 to $4,226 in walk 2024. While the very normal cost of ETH for the walk in a real sense stays around $4,108, Ethereum ETH value forecast April 2024. The cost for Ethereum in April 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $4,034 and $4,431, especially further appearance how certainly is Ethereum a truly wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2024, or so they most certainly thought. While the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $4,190, which most certainly is genuinely critical. ETH value. Conjecture May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Ethereum truly is supposed to by and large arrive at a truly least value worth of $4,160 in a huge manner. The ETH cost could by and large arrive at an essentially most extreme cost of $4,599 with a kind of typical cost around $4,316, or so they especially thought. ETH value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Ethereum most certainly is determined to basically be at around an exceptionally least worth of $4,246, exhibiting how truly is Ethereum a truly wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. The Ethereum value worth can by and large arrive at a by and large limit of $4,771 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $4,402 in USD, showing how ETH value gauge May 2024. Concerning May 2024, Ethereum especially is supposed to really arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $4,160 in a genuinely significant manner. Ethereum value figure July 2024. The exceptionally normal cost of Ethereum ETH could especially go to $4,491 toward the finish of July 2024, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. ETH could explicitly be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of $4,947 with the especially least expected cost of $4,334. So on the off chance that you, for the most part, are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2024, what will Ethereum in every practical sense be fundamentally worth in 2024, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking? ETH value gauge August 2024. The Ethereum estimate for August 2024 expects that the ETH may truly arrive at a really most extreme worth of $5,172 with an essentially least cost of around $4,469, which by and large is genuinely huge. Discussing the typical value ETH can truly stretch around $4,625 for August, demonstrating the way that the ETH cost could really arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $4,599 with a kind of typical cost around $4,316 in a genuinely significant manner. Ethereum value figure September 2024. The normal cost of Ethereum ETH could explicitly go to $4,764 toward the finish of September 2024 in an unpretentious manner. ETH could generally be exchanging around a for the most part greatest worth of $5,403 with the base expected cost of $4,568 in a truly significant manner. ETH value figure October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Ethereum in every practical sense is supposed to basically arrive at a kind of least value worth of $4,750, showing how besides ETH can truly arrive at an especially greatest value level of $689 in an unpretentious manner. The ETH cost could by and large arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $5,594 with the really normal cost around $4,907, exhibiting that. Ethereum value expectation walk 2024. Ethereum cost fundamentally is supposed to basically reach between $3,717 to $4,226 in walk 2024, while the for the most part normal cost of ETH for the walk explicitly remains around $4,108. Ethereum ETH value expectation April 2024. The cost for Ethereum in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $4,034 and $4,431. Kind of additional appearance. How generally is Ethereum a genuinely wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2024, or so they basically thought. Ethereum value figure November 2024. The very normal cost of Ethereum ETH could go to $5 toward the finish of November 2024, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. ETH could, in every way that really matters, be exchanging around an essentially greatest worth of $5,839 with the exceptionally least expected cost of $4,849 in a significant manner. Ethereum value gauge December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Ethereum in every way that really matters is supposed to especially be at around a genuinely least of $4,999 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum cost can in a real sense arrive at a really limit of $689 with a sort of typical cost of $5 to $155 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum past value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been basically diminished by 0.66% in its kind of current worth. Pretty further appearance how Ethereum value figure December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Ethereum especially is supposed to really be at around a very least of $4,999. Assuming that we sort of look at the very current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap most certainly is likewise down, showing that truly is Ethereum a very wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2024, which all things considered is very critical. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the ETH for the most part was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 14.75%, or so they in every practical sense thought. Ethereum especially has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential recently, and this could be a very great chance to dive right in and truly put resources into an especially significant way as a matter of fact. Ethereum value estimate. 2024 facts. What will generally be Ethereum certainly worth in 2024, or so they truly thought. The ETH cost explicitly is gauged to by and large arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of $689 with extremely least cost of $4,999 toward the finish of 2024, showing how starting around 09 walk 2024